Hey, can we go off record real quick for just a minute? It's just a favor to ask for future, is all.
You can go and say whatever you want to say, man.
All right, I thought we had a better report than that. It's all right. So he obviously fixated on you at one point, and it really pissed him off. I don't know why, it just did.
Okay.
And that's when we lost control of him. So I was gonna ask a request in the future. If you recognize that or see that you're triggering somebody, can you just step out of sight for us? You can keep rolling, but just out of sight so that he's not fixating on you being like a trigger to set him off.
I hear what you're saying.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
They don't want to help him.
Can I help? No.
He's refusing help. What's up, BB? Chilling.
That motherfucker is at me.
That didn't work out.
Come on.
Let go. Stop.
Stand up. Come on.
I can stand up. Go right.
It's you.
Come on.
Who the f are you? I'll take them all down. I want to see cut of the hat. Cut of the hat, motherfucker. I want to see cut of hat.
You Slo
Cut of
capability?
hat.
No, I'm Slo County Observer.
Or Slo County Observer?
Yeah.
Don't ever do that to me.
I'm one of your supporters.
Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate you.
Yeah, I give you a couple $100, man.
Whoa.
Can I get a picture with you?
Sure, go for it.
I want to see cut of hat only. I get
Your
no
rights
cut
are
of
my
hat.
rights, man.
I appreciate you, man.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Everything you do, I appreciate it.
Hey, thank you, man.
Walking. Slow down. Everyone breathe. Slow down. When we operate on what? Come on with it. Take that shit out of my ass. Let him loose. Let her loose.
This guy's on one, man.
Let him loose. She ain't doing it. Come on. Hey, let her loose of it. Get another man. Let her loose. Let her loose. No beat down, Tina. Let her loose. Let her loose. No. I'm not sitting on it. Let her loose. They're gonna freeze me or something. Let her loose. Let the woman loose. Let this woman loose. Man, be a man. Stop. I'll freeze right here. Back off. Back off. I ain't looking at your work. Back off. back off, please. Back off, please. Woman.
I gave you.
No, you didn't give me anything. Back off of me, please. I'm not kidding. Back off me.
That's what I'm gonna give you.
You can break it down. Just give me a pass to find something out of accusations and adios.
Tell me all about it. Get in the
No. Let me see the cut of your finders. No, I'm not getting in nothing.
What's going on, everybody?
That's provoking me to enter in. I'm not getting in nothing. That's entering in on your negative.
Oh, Croft.
No, goddamn. I'm not entering in with a woman being violated. That's you entering in on having any type of negotiations with a man in my whole entire world